Hey there folks, and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be showing you how to discover the mysterious Jira project key for your Atlassian account. By the end of this video, you'll not only be able to find your project key like an expert, but you'll also understand what it's for, and why it's a critical piece of the puzzle when using Jira. Let's dive right in, shall we? You're probably asking yourself, what is a Jira project key? The project key is essentially a unique tag, a one-of-a-kind alphanumeric identifier that prefixes all issues within a certain project. Think of it like a fingerprint for your project. It sets a unique identity to each issue, like JRA, in the case of issue JRA 123. Importantly, it's not the same as the project name. It's a distinct label that will help Jira and you keep things organized. So where can we find this elusive project key? There are three major places. First, the simplest one, you can find the project key within an issue's unique ID. Every issue ID contains the project key, tactfully hidden before the hyphen. So, for instance, if you have an issue tagged as MKTG101, the project key in this case is MKTG. Easy, right? Now, onto the second spot. If you're a project admin and want to swiftly locate the project key, it's just a few clicks away in the project settings. Navigate to your project in Jira, and on the left-hand side, you should see a sidebar. Scroll down this and click on the project settings. Boom! The first screen will show the project details where the key is usually displayed right next to the project name. And finally, there's a third method. If you're a Jira admin and want a quick overview of all your project keys, you can access this from the View All Projects list. Just click on the settings gear icon located in the top right corner, followed by Projects from the drop-down menu. A list of all the projects will pop up, showcasing both the project name and the key, neatly side by side. Now, a quick note regarding Atlassian account project key. It can be a bit of a misnomer. The project key doesn't identify your general Atlassian account, but it rather corresponds to an individual Jira project. It's used in JQL queries and for identifying a specific set of work items. Instead, Atlassian accounts utilize different identifiers, like an account ID or API tokens, which are used across Atlassian products. These tokens can be managed within your Atlassian account profile. And there you have it, your dedicated guide to uncovering and understanding the Jira project key. Now, you've got the know-how to navigate and uncover these important little clues throughout your Jira projects. Thanks for tuning in today, everyone. If this tutorial was helpful, or if you've got any further questions, let us know down in the comments. And remember to give us a like if you found the video helpful, and hit that subscribe button for more clear, concise tutorials. See you in the next video.